Good morning, YouTube. Today we gotta fix the hydraulic top on our Ferrari 360.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is our shop, The Stub, and this is our dealership, NG Supercars, and that car actually just sold today. And so as part of getting it out the door, we told the buyer that we're gonna fix the top because it has a hydraulic leak. So we are going to replace the hydraulic cylinder using a rebuilt one from Top Hydraulics. Check that out if you need to get one of those. But real quick, if you want to support us, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and check out NG Supercars if you need to buy a supercar from us. Also, you can email us sales@NG Supercars if you need to get any questions answered or anything like that. By the way, I'm gonna apologize. I sound like crap. I've been sick for about 2 weeks.
Okay, I pulled the cylinder out and Dan is over here modifying. You have to cut those dimples out that hold the hose in, and then you can pull the hose out. So he's doing that, and then we have the new one here. We modified the way it works. They just have a metal bracket over it. So we'll just take that screw out, pop the hose out, and pop the old hose in, and then put it back together, and it should be good. So this is the one that latches the top, latches these two. Covered up by this little bracket right here, and these Torx screws. And then there's this little pin that goes through, which I'll show you with a little E-clip. The E-clip's kind of a pain to get out, but I'll show you how to do that. It's not too bad.
Oh, my hand is cramping. Probably should put some stuff all over this.
Yeah, we'll vacuum everything off.
It's not there yet. You can see right there. It's really close right there. See the line?
Yep. Don't worry about messing this up too bad. It doesn't matter.
All right, YouTube, I got one out. You can see. Don't let it go down. It'll drip. There you go. So now just do the second one. Gotta be really careful not to go too deep, but let's see. It only takes about 5 minutes.
The question is, like, this has a threaded hole in it.
Yeah.
So do we tap that and thread it?
No, we're gonna use that cylinder.
Oh, right.
So pro tip is when you're grinding, this cylinder is aluminum, so when you're grinding it, there's no sparks. These are stainless steel, so as soon as you hit them, it sparks. So if you're seeing sparks,
Stop.
back off. This one's pretty close. I got a little bit further to go, so you can see. See the sparks? Almost. Come on.
I don't want to bend that thing.
No, I know.
You bend that hose, you're screwed.
Yeah, you're doing the whole line again. Ah, it's like so close. You can see the line. I think I got grinding on the sides a little bit to alleviate some of the compression on it.
One more push.
Come on. Ha!
It's a boy.
Yeah, look at there it is, little penis. Hooray!
So now we have to pop those in the new one. I've got to take this apart, finish taking it apart and taking those screws in.
Nothing's going easy today.
No.
Ugh. Dang. Did I cut myself?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I don't know where. I mean, I guess we're not going to use these lines.
They probably want the lines back.
Probably.
It
Well,
said in the thing that they want them back.
I mean, worst case scenario is we don't get our refund or whatever.
It's $200.
Yeah, it's not the end of the world. Oh, there we go. Ah! That's the way to do it. Get a little leverage.
Try not to bend the line if you do this.
That works. Nice.
All right.
Alright.
Now we take these screws,
You go in.
putting it in the right way.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, ah.
Oh, don't drop that.
Yeah. Is there a right side up? Guess it doesn't matter. They look pretty flat. Bastard. There.
You know you over tightened a aluminum screw when the bit gets stuck in it.
Right? There. Piece of crap. Hooray!
All right. Now we can put it back in. Got a little E-clip
Yeah.
and a little pin. All right, so this slides over this little bar that moves the latches. Let's like this. Okay, so the way this goes is really weird. So this pin goes in this side,
Yeah.
and there's not a lot of room, so
Yeah, I remember getting that E-clip off as a bitch.
yeah, it was kind of a bitch. So this slides on, and then you get this. Maybe there's a better way to do this, but
The way we did is we took out those
there.
Torx bits.
So the E-clip goes in between this and this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So you got to line that up perfectly. Not like that. Like that. And then this thing.
Slides in the middle. Because that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get first try?
First try.
Oh, look at you. Alright.
Alright, and then this little panel.
Oh, yeah.
Forget how it going on there. I think it like this.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Just like that. Don't tighten one down until you get them both in.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put the trim piece back on. It's just held on with these little clips,
That's
and
it?
like sometimes it'll eat the clips,
Ooh.
so you have to take the clips off that it eats and put them back on.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay.
So needle nose.
Oh, so the clips have to be on that side.
Right.
I see.
Right.
Alright, here, I can get this one. Okay.
All right, then we just line it up.
Wait.
Get it all lined up, and give it a little thing until you hear those things snap in place. Just give it a little tug to make sure that it's not going to come off. It's plastic, so it comes off pretty easy.
Yeah, this piece needs to be fixed, but... Alright. Well, should we cycle it
Yeah.
and test it?
Before you do this, you want to check the fluid in the reservoir to make sure there's enough in there.
Right.
This one had plenty, so we didn't have to add any. But if you're low, it's just going to push air through there. And it is a self-bleeding system. Alright,
Sweet.
moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Come on, no whammies.
It helps if you have the car on when you're doing this too.
Ooh, they popped open.
That's what we want.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Haha. Eureka. No more of that. Here's the leak. All right, YouTube. It's all done. It's working. Good as new. No leaks. Hooray. And it can now go to its new owner and be happy. That car is awesome. OEM manual 360. Actually, what's funny is the hydraulic top of that one's working really, really good. It has a little bit of like a squeak, but other than that, a lot of times like you see them hesitate and pause, and this one just works. So I'm actually really pleased with that hydraulic top. An old wives' tale, it says whenever you replace one cylinder, you gotta replace all the cylinders. Well, this wasn't actually the cylinder leaking. This was the seal that goes into the cylinder. So
Actually, to point this out, where's the old one?
oh yeah, I don't know where it went.
Oh, it's right
There.
This
So-
had been replaced by someone in the past, and they didn't. When they rebuilt it, they didn't put the seals in.
Right,
correctly,
right.
So it was leaking.
So this one, a lot of times, if this part leaks, that's when you have
Yeah,
problems.
right there.
Because then what happens is it's bleeding off pressure. What was that? Was that
I
fluid?
pulled on and shot fluid on the battery tender over there.
Holy
That's
crap.
like 15 feet away.
Wow, that was cool. So you can
It didn't
see,
land on any of the
well,
cars.
so as you can see, the hydraulic cylinder still holds fluid really well. It was actually the lines going into the cylinder that were leaking. So we ran it a couple times, made sure that none of the other cylinders are leaking. That's obviously a big concern with these things, but it seems to be good. So anyway, again, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and visit NG Supercars. We do appreciate it if you guys can support us. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. I need to stop talking because my voice is going away. It's going to be sweet.